Do you know of any such plane that embodies sheer power and prowess? Well, meet the Sukhoi Su-24M, also known as the Fencer D by NATO. It is a formidable supersonic all-weather attack aircraft developed in the Soviet Union. Measuring 73 feet long, it is powered by 2 turbojet engines and flies at a breathtaking 1,028 miles per hour speed. It first entered service in 1974 and is equipped with weapons like a 23mm rotary cannon, versatile missiles, bombs, and a sophisticated targeting system. Truly a beast, what do you think?
War machines.